Okay. Hello.
Hi!
Guess what?
I have a very good news for you.
I'm calling today to let you know that you have been selected for the 2020 Mandela Washington Fellowship.
Oh, thank you, finally.
You made it.
It's my first time to apply. Wow, thank you, that's great. That's a very, 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 very nice news for today.
It is a really big, great news. Thank you very much. Great.
Yeah, it is a good news for a Monday.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your confidence.
You've been selected to participate in the Mandela Washington Fellowship 2022.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is wonderful news. Oh,
Congratulations!
thank you so much. I'm very pleased with your job.
You deserve
Well done.
it.
Are you ready to go for it?
I'm ready. I've been ready for a long time, you know. Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
We are very happy for you.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm very happy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're going to be great.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe it yet. So, can I scream a little bit?
Yes!
Sure.
Woo!
Oh my gosh, my heart is beating so fast actually.
Okay, well, I'm calling to let you know that you have been selected to participate in the 2022 Mandela Washington Fellowship.
Really?
Yes, really!
Oh my god. Really?
Really.
Oh my god. Thank you so much. I didn't expect to such news.
So once again, congratulations and
Yeah,
welcome to the nation.
Congratulations!
yeah, thank you so much. Thank you indeed.
All right, congratulations.
Okay, thank you.
Take care. Happy Monday.
Okay, so congratulations. You're going to participate in this year's YALI Mandela Washington Fellowship.
Oh, thank you very much. Wow, that's a good news.
Yes, it
A
is.
very good one. I'm really happy to hear it. No, thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. So congratulations again, and we'll be in touch soon. We're gonna send you more information about the details. Okay?
That's great.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Take care and congratulations once again. Well, I'm calling to let you know that you've been selected for the 2022 Mandela Washington Fellowship.
Wow, thanks so much. It's really an honor and a pleasure for me to be here.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you again. I'm just, I don't know what to say. Just, thank you.